guys, this is Dr. Bea Chan giving you some skin is in tips. So, do you want healthy looking and radiant skin? I'm talking about no uneven skin texture and large pores or fine lines and wrinkles. Maybe it's time to try chemical exfoliants like AHA and BHA. Chemical exfoliants work by removing dead skin cells from your face, leaving you with brighter and smoother complexion. But what's the difference between them and which one should you use? Ang AHA or alpha hydroxy acids are a group of plant-based animal-derived acids. Popular examples are glycolic, lactic, and mandelic acids. They are water-soluble and are actually well-tolerated by most skin types but work best for those with dry to combination skin. Ang BHA naman or beta-hydroxy acid works best for those with oily, acne-prone skin as they can effectively reduce oil production. Aside from that, they also have anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, a common example of BHA would be your salicylic acid. I know that there are a lot of skincare products like toners, serums, and moisturizers that contain both AHA and BHA. So, what happens ba when you combine them together? AHA actually works best with BHA dahil tinatanggal nito ang dead skin cells on the topmost layer to allow your BHA to penetrate deeper into the skin to unclog pores, dissolve sebum, minimize appearance of pores, and even prevent formation of new comedones and acne. However, AHAs when combined with BHAs are ideally only for those with oily or combination and acne-prone skin. Also, to prevent overexfoliation, you can start using chemical exfoliants 3 times a week for a month or 2 until your skin gets used to it. And always use a hydrating moisturizer with ingredients like cica and aloe extracts to minimize irritation. Once again, this is Dr. Bea Chan and achieve more ways to wellness because skin is in.